Yeah, baby.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I decided to do an updated makeup routine. I decided to give you guys an update since I feel like I changed my makeup routines for those previous years that I've done my makeup routine on my channel. But yeah, I'm so excited to share with you guys since I use a lot of drugstore products, except for maybe for like 1 or 2 products. But I'll try to link everything that I use except for the makeup brushes. I'll link a similar version and the eyelash curler. But if you want to see how I did this face, then keep on. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to be using a primer, and I'm using the e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer. And I'm just going to use this all over my face. I like using poreless because it makes my skin so much better and it makes it look poreless. Hence the name of the makeup product. And you can get this at Walmart if you don't have a Target near you. My Target is like 30 minutes away and I still like it. So I like either shopping for my makeup products at Walmart or Target. It's just easier and cheap. So for the next step is I use concealer sometimes instead of foundation, and sometimes if I don't want concealer or foundation, I just use translucent powder. But when I do feel like putting on concealer, I use the Maybelline Superstay New York full coverage under eye concealer, and I use the shade Ivory. I'm this color since I'm very pale, and I just apply it to my under eye like it says, and then I just apply it like wherever I like need it. Like I need it on my acne. I should really get a mirror. Hold on. So after that, I like to set my face in place so the makeup doesn't go anywhere, because my face is oily / dry. And honestly, I don't like that. But I'm going to be using the Maybelline Outfit Me powder, the loose finishing powder in this shade 10, which is Fairlight, in case y'all are wondering. And again, I'll link every product that I've used in this tutorial except for the makeup brushes, because I don't know where I got them. I'll just like set a like similar link down in the description box. So let's go put that powder. Okay, so for the next step I like to do is contour my face. I like contouring better than bronzing. Is that a term? I don't know. We're just gonna go with it because it just makes my features in my face look more pleasant, I feel like. And the contouring palette that I'm gonna be using is the Wet n Wild Magalo collection in the shade Caramel Toffee, which is amazing. So, and the type of brush I'm using is kind of like this, and you want to be kind of like gentle with this because it is super, like, do you see that? But kind of powerful, but don't worry. Okay, I'm gonna do, oh my god, can you not? I'll be back. I'm gonna contour the rest of my face. Alright, so the next step is to put eyebrows, and I like using a pencil because I feel like I have more control rather than using a dip brow pomade, is because back then I used to use a pomade, and let's just say, honey, those weren't it. And the eyebrow pencil that I'm going to be using is a Maybelline Total Temptation in the shade 310. In medium brow. If you have like hair color similar to my hair, you might want to use 310, and if you have lighter, I don't know, because I don't have a lighter hair color. But the great thing about this pencil, it comes with a spoolie, and I just like to use it. And for the first thing that I like doing is I like tracing my eyebrows with the pen. So, and then if I mess up, just take my finger and then I fill it in. So I'll be back. Okay, so the next step that I like to do in my makeup routine is put blush. I like using two different types of blush because one's lighter and one's a little bit darker, because the lighter one doesn't give out too much color and it's like more sparkly, so it's kind of like a highlighter, but not really. So the first one I like to use is the e.l.f. Called Blushing, and then the second one I like to use is Physicians Formula in the shade Pink. And I begin out with the light one first, and then I just use like this type of brush, and I like to do on my nose and right there. And then with a heavy one, I like to see how pink that is, tap it down a bit so it's not too pink, and don't worry if it's crazily amount pink. We're gonna fix it at the end. So I like putting on a lot of blush because when it puts the makeup mist, it kind of makes it go away. So yeah. Okay, so the next step is to put highlighter, and unfortunately I won't be listing this highlighter down below just because it's unavailable anymore. I can't find it anywhere, but I'll put a similar highlighter, and the highlighter that I use is Kylie Jenner, I don't know how to say this, but it's Santorini. I'm probably saying that so wrong. And you only need a little bit of this because it goes a long way. So don't put a lot. I like to put it over there to brighten up my eyes a little bit, and I like to put on my eyes a little bit a lot. I like to put it on my nose, so I can be Rudolph the Red-Nosed. Right now I want to be Rudolph. And then on my Cupid's bow, I believe that's called. And then I take my finger and then just place it on my eye, like the little arc of my eyebrow. So the next step is to put mascara on. So kind of, I don't know how to explain it, to kind of like make your eyelashes look more alive. You can put falsies after mascara, but I don't know how to put falsies, and you can also put eyeliner, but every time I do eyeliner, one turns out better than the other one, so I just skip out on the eyeliner. But I like to curl my lashes firstly. Just I find that there's a huge difference whenever I curl my lashes. And then I don't know which brand of mascara this one is, so I won't be putting it down below because I try to find it, but I think it's sold out and discontinued, but I'm pretty sure it was L'Oreal. And this is waterproof, and then I know for a fact this is still on, but it's the Maybelline The Rocket Volume Express mascara. This has a bigger wand than this one. As you can see, two different bottles. This one is smaller, and then this one's bigger. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on mascara and curl my lashes. So be right. Alright, so for the second to last step, I like to use a lip balm. And the lip balm that I like to use is the Blistex Medicated Lip Balm. It has SPF 15, and I like to go ham on this because usually at this step my lips become so chapped. So yeah, feel free to put like a nude lipstick that would look super cool, or a lip tint, but I actually just like lip balms better since it hydrates my lips a little bit more, and that's just my lips. Your lips can be completely different. There we go. So let's move on to the last step. Alright, so for the last step for this makeup tutorial, I like to use the e.l.f. makeup mist and set. You can use this as a mist, but I like using it as a setting spray, and it's really good. It fits perfect when I travel on an airplane, and want to blend it in, I just like using a beauty blender, and I use a different one than my foundation or concealer. You just want to be super careful not to get these in your eye. It burns like a mother trucker. So just when applying this, make sure you close the eyes and get your beauty blender right away so you can blend it in so it doesn't get on your eye. And then when you feel like you got it off your eyes, you can open your eyes, because I've had it in my eyes before and it stings. I inhaled it. Don't be like me and inhale it. But there we go. Hi guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's makeup tutorial. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and turn off the notification bell to be notified every time I upload. And that's all I have to say, so I'll see you next week. Good damn, bye.